Alright, YouTube, all you DIY mechanics, nobody in the whole freaking world, I know how simple this could have been, or is, or should have been, but I only have like, what, 2 feet of space to work in. As you can see, I am in a freaking cluttered up garage. My my homeowners association doesn't let me work on my cars outside, so I can't even keep my car halfway out of the garage, and I have 0 leg room, so I'm like spinning in circles. Looked all over the internet, couldn't find how to remove the rack and pinion out of a 4-wheel drive CRV 97 to 2001. I had to undo every single line. Since this one is no good, I just tore these off because I didn't really care. I mean, I didn't tear them off, I just yanked them out. I undid all these metal lines, except for this one. I couldn't get to it while I was in the car, but I undid the other ones. I had to undo this piece, which is connected to the steering column, instead of taking it out from the inside of the car. I had to undo that, which is the drive shaft. Undid my cat, lowered my exhaust manifold, and then I dropped it. I didn't take the whole thing out. Couldn't get these nuts off, so did the next easiest thing that I could. Undid 4 bolts on the transfer case. It's simple, but I mean, when you've been working on a car like this in such a cluttered area in 102-degree weather inside a garage with no breeze, it gets very frustrating. So all I did was undid the 4 bolts and the bracket that was holding it, moved it, and I didn't even have to take it all the way off. I just, as you can see, I have it adjusted, and the fluid's coming out. I'll just have to refill that. But then finally got the rack and pinion to slide out that way, and then bring it back this way, and then now it's out. So I just have to put the nuts on the new one, slide the new one in, and put up all the other bolts. I'll put a video up after I'm done assembling it. Alright, try to film this without getting hurt or damaging anything. No promises. I don't know if you guys will get this very good view or anything, but hopefully you guys will get something, because there ain't shit on the internet. I'm hung up right here, so I might have to adjust that a little more. I loosened these up so that I don't have to do it, just in case it's harder. Give me a second to breathe. More than halfway in. might have to take off this piece. If I do, it's totally worth it. If I do and it goes in, if I don't and it goes in, that's even better. Stuck, so let's no. Once your business is done, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and play game. Yeah, don't make me have to stop you. No, everybody does their own.